Everyone, this is Josh. Josh is going to assemble a piano lyre as it would look if you were looking upside down at the piano. Takes 3 wing screws, and the base goes on and is secured by the thumb screws on the back side of the pedal base. Pedal style sustain pedals will fit 2, one next to the other, and can be secured with the knobs that are supplied. Those same knobs can be turned over, and the same pedal base used for wide sustain pedals, pedal boards, or some triple sustain pedals that would be wider than the base itself. And these can also, in some cases, be anchored with the same knobs. If your sustain pedal has a straight plug, it can be inserted and channeled through the pedal lyre and up into the piano shell. If your sustain pedal does not have a straight plug, you may be able to change the plug to a straight one if you're handy like that. So here Josh has one fully assembled as it would be underneath your piano shell with the cord running through it.